In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report someone on Discord. Whether you're in a busy server or a small group chat, knowing how to report a problematic message helps keep communities safe and respectful. We're going to keep this simple and clear, and I'll share helpful context along the way so you feel confident about what happens when you file a report. First, go to the message you want to report. This matters because reports on Discord are tied to a specific message, not just a general complaint about a person. Scroll to the exact chat where the behavior happened and find the message that violates the rules or Discord's community guidelines. Take a moment to make sure you've got the right message and that it clearly represents the issue. Reporting should be used for serious concerns like harassment, hate speech, spam, or threats, not just disagreements or opinions you don't like. Next, right-click the message and select Report Message. If you're on a device without a right-click, look for the More Options menu on the message, often shown as 3 dots, or press and hold the message until you see the option to report. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different depending on your app or platform. You're looking for the built-in reporting option attached to that specific message. Now, select the reason. You'll see categories that help route your report properly, such as harassment, spam, or other guideline violations. Choose the one that best fits what happened. This step is important because it helps moderators or Discord's trust and safety team understand the nature of the issue quickly. If there's a place to add a short note, keep it factual and concise. Focus on what the message said or did, not on assumptions about the person. And that's it. Once you submit, your report is sent for review. You might not get a detailed update, and that's normal. Reviews happen behind the scenes to protect privacy and keep the process fair. If the message breaks the rules, appropriate action will be taken. If it doesn't, no action is taken, and you can always use personal tools like muting, blocking, or leaving a channel to improve your experience. A few final tips. Avoid responding to harmful messages before reporting, since engaging can escalate the situation. Stick to what you can point to, the exact message you reported, and let the system do the rest. By using the report feature responsibly, you help make Discord better for everyone.